Today I'll be showing you how to change the rear brake pads on a 2009 Dodge Challenger. Already broke those loose. Remove the wheel. That one was pretty stuck on. On the caliper, you got a couple 15 millimeters. This one started to spin, so I'm holding it still with a 19. Oops, it slipped off. It's a little bit smaller than a 19. It's actually an 18 on the back side. To hold it still. And remove both these caliper bolts. Once you get those out, you should be able to pick up the caliper, just set it up top, and then remove the pads out of the side. And get a little screwdriver to pry those out. Wyatt's first appearance on YouTube. Helping with the brake job this morning. Now he's prying the old clips out. Once you get the old ones out, you can put your new clips in. They just fit down into the slots, and then your pads go in here like so and press into the slots also. Then you can put your caliper back. Oh, first you got to compress the caliper, which I've already done. So you need a C-clamp, a caliper tool, some big channel locks. Press this piston back in to where it's got enough space to fit over the new pads. And then you'll replace your 15 millimeter bolts. And tighten those down. After you tighten down your two 15s on the caliper, put your tire back on. And tighten up your lug nuts.